So today I'm looking after these two children. They're driving me absolutely crazy. Little Bella, are you okay? I'm leaving you. I'm never doing this job again. So today I'm looking after these two children for the first time while their mum's at work, and she said that they're going to be very, very well behaved. Are you going to be good? You'll have to go home. And who's this?
Little Bella.
Little Bella. And is she a good baby? Put your dummy in right now. Oi! I said put your dummy in. Keep it in. What are you doing? Hey!
Look.
Angel, what have you done? Come on, let's go and get you dressed. Help! Naughty baby, naughty, naughty! Oh, lay down! Lay down! You're teaching your little sister bad things. Do you want her to be good?
No.
Look. Look, she spat her dummy out like you now. Lay down. Lay down. Angel, your sister's watching you. Lay it on your changing mat right this minute. Stop, baby. Look at your sister playing nicely, but you're going to make her be naughty. No, that's baby's teddy. Angel, get back here. Nappy on. Nappy on. I'm getting... Stop! Come here. No. Excuse.
I'm gonna tell my mommy.
You're going to get me sacked from my job.
Let's go.
Excuse me. Nappy on. Oh, my head! That is naughty. Stand up.
Let not pit.
No, I don't want you to poo all over my floor. So, Lover-Bella, what are you doing? Help! Help me! Somebody help! Stop! Angel, what are you doing? Oh, get this off me! Get this off me! Go and collect your children, they're driving me crazy! Come back! They're driving me absolutely crazy! Oh, help! Help! Papa, what have you done, you naughty baby? Help! 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 My face! Help! Somebody help me!
I'm bringing my mummy.
No, I'm going to get sacked from my job! No! Take my phone! Ha! Gotcha! Get out of my house! I don't ever want to see you ever again! Go away, you naughty werewolf!
I'm gonna flip the bathroom.
Hear the taps! Ah! You naughty child! Come back, I hate you! Ah! You sacked me from my job! I'm not taking any more of this, I'm moving away! Go away, you naughty baby! I'm leaving you, I'm never doing this job again! Ah! Thanks for watching. Bye.